Earn $5 per minute by watching YouTube videos. Make money online. Want to make over $100 a day with a brand new method? Miss this and you might miss out on some exciting money-making opportunities. Hey there, money makers! In today's video, I'm going to reveal a fresh method that helped me earn over $100 in just one day. Yesterday, I raked in more than $200, and here's the kicker. We're talking about making $5.48 every minute just by watching YouTube videos. That's right, you heard me correctly. And stay tuned because I've got a secret trick that can help you earn 10 times more money than the average folks, and it won't cost you a dime. Step number 1. Start by heading over to youtube.com. Once you're there, search for something intriguing that piques people's curiosity about the video's outcome. For instance, you could search for crazy animals caught in camera. This method has the potential to bring in substantial earnings. And here's a little incentive. If you want to know how much I've made in the past 7 days or the past 30 days, help me reach 1,000 likes on this video. As soon as we hit that milestone, I'll spill the beans in upcoming videos. Next, select a video that genuinely captivates your interest. In this video, we're going with the first one, where a cyclist is being chased by a bear. The thumbnail is so captivating that you can't help but want to know the outcome. Now, here's a nifty trick. Get the YouTube thumbnail of that specific video. Copy the video's link address, then head over to Google and search for YouTube thumbnail grabber. Click on the first search result, and you'll be taken to a page where you can paste the video link. Click Download HD Thumbnail Image, and voila! You've got the thumbnail downloaded to your device. Step number 2. Visit Canva.com. Canva is a free tool for creating designs, including YouTube thumbnails. Search for YouTube thumbnail and select Create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Upload the downloaded thumbnail, resize it so it covers the entire background, and add a black square element, making sure to reduce its transparency to 60. Next, search for a circle element, place it strategically on the thumbnail, change its color to red, and send it to the background behind the black cover. Now, search for a still play button and place it on the center of the thumbnail, changing its color to white. Click share and then download. Step number 3. Create a blank site on sites.google.com. Delete everything. Select title only for the page title and make it bold and in red. Add a relevant description to the thumbnail, such as "See who won the race." Insert the thumbnail on the left side of the website. Step number 4. Back to Canva. This time for Pinterest. Create a blank Pinterest pin. Upload the video thumbnail. Resize it. Add a dark background and include a subheading like "Bear caught chasing the cyclist. See who won the race." Make the text bold and bigger. And position it at the bottom of the dark background. Now, search for an animated play button. Center it and click download. This will turn the image into a short video. Step number 5. Sign up at mylead.global, the platform where the real magic happens. No need for any prior approval, and it's available in most countries. For future video ideas, comment with the name of your country. Once you're logged in, click on Content Locker and select Captcha Lockers. Create a locker with the name of your choice. Set the unlocking action to redirection and paste the video link with a reduced access time of 360 minutes. Go to Advanced Settings and select 8 in the Maximum Offers section. Click Save. Now, click on Choose the offers to display on this locker. You can pick different offers for various countries, but it's advisable to click on Add All. This will ensure the locker displays the best offers based on the viewer's location. With the locker ready, click on the icon to copy the code. Step number 6. Return to Google Sites. Click on Embed. Select Embed Code and paste the offer code. Click Next. ensure it fits on the right-hand side of the video and write something like, "Warning, sensitive content." Explain that the video contains sensitive content and prompt the viewer to complete a CAPTCHA verification to watch it. This method has been proven to work effectively, generating earnings as viewers complete the CAPTCHA offers. Step number 7. Get ready to drive traffic using our traffic source, Pinterest.com. Create a pin, upload the video, add a title and description, and paste the URL of your website. I've also got a free secret trick to boost your pins to the top of the browse page, instantly increasing your visibility. Use websites like youlikehits.com to collect points by performing quick tasks. Then, use those points to boost your pins on Pinterest. I've covered this technique in detail in another video. You can find the link on the screen. We're going to explore 3 options that'll put money in your pocket without any corporate jargon. It's all about practicality and keeping it conversational as we delve into the realms of marketing, SEO, and copywriting while you discover these opportunities. Cash Kick. Get paid to watch videos with Cash Kick. It's an online platform that rewards you for completing surveys, watching videos, and even browsing the web. You can choose from very simple tasks and complete as many as you want. Your feedback helps companies improve their products, and in return, you earn cash. What's great about Cash Kick is that you get paid via PayPal. No gift cards or points. If you're 18 or older and in the US, sign up with your email or connect your PayPal account directly. Swagbucks. Swagbucks lets you earn by completing mini tasks and gives you SB points that you can exchange for gift cards or cash. With a solid 4.3 rating from over 23,500 Trustpilot reviews, it's a proven way to make extra money. You can get paid for watching videos while multitasking with surveys or other activities. To maximize your earnings, complete the daily to-do list, watch videos, surf the web, play games, and install the Swag button. Changing your default browser to Swagbucks also lets you earn passive points for internet searches. Plus, the low withdrawal threshold starts at just $1. Sign up with Swagbucks now and get a $5 bonus. Inbox Dollars. Join Inbox Dollars for free, but keep in mind you'll need to earn a minimum of $15 before requesting payment. They offer various payment methods, including PayPal, checks, gift cards, or prepaid Visa. Inbox Dollars also pays you for watching videos in multiple categories. You can see your earnings before watching each video, ranging from a few cents to several dollars. Watch as many videos as you like, and the more you watch, the more opportunities you'll have to complete virtual scratch cards with hidden cash prizes. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll stay up to date with the latest money-making methods, secret tricks, and insider tips. Join our community of smart earners, and together, we'll uncover exciting opportunities to boost your income. So what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button now and let's embark on this money-making journey together. That's a wrap, my fellow money makers. If you follow these steps and harness the power of our secret trick, you'll be well on your way to making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.